Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is November 20th, 2025, and the top crypto news is as follows. Let's start with Argentina, and we'll see what's happening with Libra, where really cool things are happening. First of all, an Argentinian judge froze assets related to the Libra meme coin scandal after investigators discovered possible indirect payments to public officials from Kelsier Ventures CEO Hayden Davis, one of the people behind the Solana token launch. Specifically, Davis transferred $507,500 through cryptocurrency exchange BIT just 42 minutes after President Milei posted a now infamous selfie with Davis on social media, in which Milei said Davis had advised him on blockchain and artificial intelligence. Moving on to additional news on this matter, I want to tell you that Libra is rising as investigators are talking about a political bombshell. Specifically, Argentina's Congress says the token was a coordinated illegal exchange involving political figures. Lawmakers accuse 87 insiders of trading 22 seconds before Milei's tweet, with 36 making more than $1 million each. And from all that I told you, Libra's account in the last 24 hours has increased by 133%. Moving on to our news, I want to tell you that New Hampshire unveils $100 million Bitcoin-backed municipal bond. The bond is the first of its kind in the US and comes with a listing in New Hampshire from May for the crypto strategy. Specifically, lenders are required to provide Bitcoin as collateral for 160% of the loan amount they request. If the Bitcoin-based collateral falls below 130% of the bond's value, it will liquidate a move that secures the money from the lenders. Moving on to our ETFs, we'll go to the Bitcoin ETF point. On November 19th, without BlackRock today, we are at least $14 million. And let me tell you, that spot Bitcoin ETFs currently have a record outflow of $2.5 billion, with BlackRock having outflows of $1.6 billion. Ethereum ETF, same image. We don't know what BlackRock has done, and we are at least minus $12 million. While in the Solana ETF, a fifth player has joined the company, and this is the 21st stock that has launched its ETF, and we will see what moves it makes. While for XRP, let me tell you that the ETF will be released tomorrow by Bitwise, while Grayscale tells us that its ETF is very close, so the experts believe it will come on Monday. Moving on to our ETFs, to say that BlackRock has made a new filing in Delaware for an iShares staking Ethereum ETF, which is a staking Ethereum ETF as the name suggests, and we don't know when that will get approved. Continuing our exchanges, today we will go to Kraken, which, as I told you in the previous episode of Crypto News, more and more things are being heard about going public, and today Kraken has officially announced that they will be doing their own IPO to become a public company, which we already knew in Crypto News. While from our exchanges we will go to our currencies, and we will go to Ondo Finance, which is getting a license from Liechtenstein to enter Europe. Ondo Global Market is currently a US-based tokenization and share tokenization platform and has received regulatory approval to offer shares to European investors across the European Union thanks to its Liechtenstein license. So Ondo Finance is expanding, and as I said before, we are waiting for its own chain. For the latest news of the day, we'll go to Cypherpunk, who bought another Zca's and bought $18 million in Zca's, which is currently holding its price despite market conditions, the reasons we've told Crypto News in much earlier episodes. Now, taking the standard crypto market, Bitcoin is at $92,000 for our support for now. Yesterday, the price hit $88,000, but it went up sharply, and the main reason is what I told you on Monday's episode, where I told you that the company's earnings will come out, and I had mentioned that on Wednesday with Nvidia for those who have seen the episode, and in the end, Nvidia came out and did much better than expected. In particular, Nvidia reported record revenue of $57 billion for the third quarter ended October 26, increasing its profit by 62% from a year ago and beating Wall Street forecasts, which thought it would take in only $54.7 billion. In addition, it is up 65% from last year, a number much higher than Wall Street once again believed. So because Nvidia, which is also a huge company, is doing very well, it's made our market happy for now, but also the US market for tech companies. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, November 20th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.